Dear students, in this video let us study structure of closed chain hydrocarbons. Examples for closed chain hydrocarbons. Cyclopropane molecular formula C3H6. Cyclobutane molecular formula C4H8. Cyclopentane molecular formula C5H10. Cyclohexane molecular formula C6H12. These hydrocarbons contain only single bond between carbon atoms. So, these hydrocarbons are saturated hydrocarbons. General formula of these hydrocarbons is CnH2n. Now, let us write the structure of cyclopropane. Molecular formula of cyclopropane is C3H6. Let us arrange 3 carbons of cyclopropane in triangular shape. Let us write single bond between carbon atoms. Let us arrange 2 hydrogen atoms for each carbon so that valency of carbon becomes 4. This is the structure of cyclopropane. Cyclobutane molecular formula C4H8. First, let us arrange 4 carbon atoms in square shape. Let us write single bond between carbon atoms. Let us arrange 2 hydrogen atoms for each carbon so that valency of carbon becomes 4. This is the structure of cyclobutane. Next hydrocarbon is cyclopentane. Molecular formula C5H10. 5 carbon atoms of cyclopentane should be arranged in pentagon shape. Let us write single bond between carbon atoms. Let us arrange 10 hydrogen atoms. This is the structure of cyclopentane. Next hydrocarbon is cyclohexane. Molecular formula of cyclohexane is C6H12. 6 carbon atoms of cyclohexane should be arranged in hexagonal shape. Now let us arrange 12 hydrogen atoms. This is the structure of cyclohexane. Next hydrocarbon is benzene. Molecular formula of benzene is C6H6. Six carbon atoms of benzene are arranged in hexagonal shape. Now let us write bonds between carbon atoms. Let us arrange hydrogen atoms. In this structure, to satisfy the tetravalency of carbon, we have to write alternating double bonds between carbon atoms. This is the structure of benzene. Benzene contains double bond between alternating carbon atoms. Due to the presence of double bond, benzene is unsaturated hydrocarbon.